Welcome CRO family, thanks for joining me today, March 21th, 2024. Subscribing, liking, commenting and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 13.9 cents, up 9.54% with volume up 6.17%. The price is ranging from a high of 14.1 cents and a low of 12.2. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3,713,550,000 which is up and a trading volume of 33,889,000 which is up. Etherscan is showing 307,569 holders, up 28. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com, with 42.96%, number 2 is OKX with 11.2%, and number 3 Coinbase with 10%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.7 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 200,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir, take care.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.